Let's create a new project inside NECTO Studio. Navigate to the new project, then provide a name for a new project. Then choose the project path for your project. After that, click Next to move forward. After that, select a type of a project. Is it going to be a library, project with library, simple designer project, complex designer project, or a standard project? Choose one, then click Next. Then finally, choose a hardware setup for your project. Click Finish in the upper right corner to finish setup wizard. Just a little bit more patience for NECTO to configure everything up. All done, you are all set. Here is your newly created project.